It's my breakfast, guys. Ito yung Italian breakfast here. Kain na tayo, guys. Salami. Sarap ya? Good morning, guys. Ito, paalis na kami. The bus is already moving. And kanina, may slight confusion when it comes to seating. Sabi ng tour guide namin, every day we should move seats para it's fair to everyone. Each one will have a different view along the way. Like for example, kami, dito kami nakaupo today. The next driving day, we have to skip one row and then upo kami dun sa kabilang sa next row. Medyo nagkaroon ng heated discussion kung saan kami uupo and everything. Nasettle na din with the help of our mother duck. We're going to hit 3 countries today: Italy, Austria, and Germany.
Most Alps of its whole range, because the Alpine range is quite big, okay, doesn't belong to Switzerland. It belongs to Austria. Austria has 29% of Alpine range compared to only 13% of Alps in Switzerland. Even Italy has more Alps, even France has more Alps, okay, because Alps goes through quite few countries, so
hi guys, we're on a pit stop right now sa isang service station here, still in Italy, but we're almost near the border of Austria, our next destination country. And the tour guide gave us 40 minutes to have a toilet break and get some snacks. Right now, it's currently 6 degrees. So, medyo malamig na talaga, guys. How much more dun sa Austria, Germany, Bavaria area. Chinek namin kagabi, nasa 3 degrees daw. So, good luck. And, alam nyo ba, itong Trentino, Italy, is, in the heart of Italian Alps. Pakita ko yung Italian Alps, ha. Ayan, nasa likod ko lang, guys. Look at that. So beautiful. And makikita nyo kanina sa video yung yung dinaanan namin, which is called the Brenner Pass, and it is surrounded by the Alps. And guys, ang ganda-ganda talaga dito. Ang sarap tumira dito, guys. Nag-chill-chill na lang kami dito ng family ko. And ayun, I love the cold weather talaga. Sana ganito sa Abu Dhabi or sa Pinas, no? Yung hindi ka pagpapawisan. I can live here every day. Basta ganito lang kalamig. Wag naman yung masyadong malamig. I'm not sure how many hours left before we reach Austria. Sabi ng ng tour guide namin, dadaan pa kami sa border. So it means medyo ma-traffic daw doon, and hopefully walang pagdaan namin, walang traffic para maaga kami makarating sa first stop namin, which is at Innsbruck, Austria. Yan. So, see you guys later. So guys, kadadaan lang namin ang border ng Italy and Austria. So, malapit-lapit na tayo sa Innsbruck. Hindi naman kami pinahinto. Tuloy-tuloy lang. But sometimes lang may mga inspection. But since siguro travel bus, kaya hindi na siguro pinahinto. Yun. And look at that. We're now in Austria. So guys, nandito na kami sa Innsbruck, Austria. We'll just be having lunch here and do some sightseeing sa mga famous tourist spots nila dito. Can't wait to try the schnitzel and the strudels and the schnapps. Punta na kami sa lunch spot namin. Saan kami kakain? I'm liking this place. It's so quaint. Very picturesque. Postcard ang dating. Hey guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Cafe Central. We decided to have lunch here because it's near our meeting place. And it's an old Viennese style cafe. Since 1884 pa sila. Ang in-order ko is the schnitzel because our tour guide said that kung nandito ka sa Austria, you have to try the schnitzel, the strudel, and the schnapp. So, ako, pinili ko schnitzel. I don't want to drink schnapp because it's an alcohol. So, kung uminom ng ganito kaaga. And the strudel, I don't want to have dessert muna. I want to eat meat kasi parang carbo loading nang ginawa ko for the past 3-4 days. So, break muna tayo sa carbs and we'll just eat meat muna ngayon. Hinihintay na namin ngayon yung order namin and we need to get back to our meeting place at 2:35. So, dapat mabilisan na kain, sightseeing dun sa may river. And maganda kasi dun dun yung mga scenic spot. And then, go to our meeting place. Ito na yung schnitzel, guys. Grabe, ang laki. And then, pag umorder ka rito, may kasama siyang parang potatoes. So, let's try. It's a veal schnitzel pala to, guys. Let's put some cranberries. Sarap guys.
Yep, oxtail.
Sulit yung 25 euros ko dahil.
Ito yung oxtail na cut.
Sarap siya paglagyan ng cranberry sauce.
Ox meat, not oxtail. Karne talaga siya. You can see here. Tikman natin.
Sarap ng pagkain dito guys.
Tender yung ox meat.
Ang ganda pa ng service nila. Very fast.
Very clean. And very elegant yung nasa. Nothing fancy. Though it looks
And
fancy.
super attentive ng mga server doon.
Iba natin yung roasted potato.
Kaya pala, ang daming positive review. And nagtagal talaga sila. Because their food is good. Guys, fast-paced na masyado to the... Kailangan na namin magmadali. Kasi 2:35, kailangan na namin bumalik sa meeting point. And it's already 2:20. Kailangan pa namin magpapapicture doon sa pinaka-scenic spot dito sa Innsbruck. Ay, nakapagod ha. Grabe guys, ganda talaga dito. Ito yung famous spot dito sa Innsbruck. Itong mga colorful and quaint buildings. Oh my gosh. So postcard. And we made it, guys! We made it here! Grabe. So different. Kaya mo yan. Laag pa, Jai. Baka. Ingal.
6 minutes. Only 6 minutes?
Austria pa lang to. 6 more to go. There. That's the Alpine Range, guys. Amazing. Parang painting. Grabe. Thank you, Lord, for creating this kind of view. Can't believe, guys, that I'm here. Innsbruck. Hey, guys. So, ngayon, papunta na kami ng Munich. We just left Innsbruck. And the total travel time from Innsbruck to Munich is around 2 to 3 hours drive. Time check, it's 3:05 p.m. Pero parang ano na siya, parang 5 p.m. na yung dating ng sun niya. Maaga kasi dito dumilim. So mukhang pagdating namin sa Munich, madilim na. Innsbruck is such a beautiful place. Ngayon parang yun lang ako nakakita ng gano'n. Sobrang scenic niya and parang siyang painting, lalo na pag yung backdrop is the Alpine Range. Grabe. Parang gusto ko pong tumira dito. Alam mo yun, sobrang idyllic, quaint, sobrang peaceful ng lugar. Ang nice pa ng weather. Yun nga lang, it's so sad na sandali lang kami dito. Hindi namin talaga nasulit ng sobra yung place. Parang kumain lang, nag-lunch lang kami, nagpa-picture, yun lang. Hindi namin na-explore masyado. Kasi nga, we only have around 1 hour to explore the place. Ito yung disadvantage pag nag-join kayo ng bus tour. Kasi nga, mabilisan. Kaya gaya kanina, hingal na hingal kami kasi from the restaurant, we had to find the spot, yung may river, para lang magpa-picture. At least may remembrance kami na we've been there. So, alam mo yun, kung mga senior siguro, unless fit yung senior, parang hindi pwede sa ganitong kind of travel. Dapat slow pace lang. Siguro kung babalik ako dito with my son, I will stay for a few days so that I could enjoy the place, explore more, and yun lang, relax. Itong tour na to, imbes na mag-relax ka, parang hindi siya nakaka-relax, but it's still enjoyable, as in sobrang enjoyable, lalo na pagkasama mo yung loved ones mo. Pwede din siya sa mga solo traveler. Tapos affordable pa siya. Imagine you can visit 7 countries for just an affordable price. And look at the view, guys. Yan yung binayaran namin, guys, yung view. I hope the video can give justice. That's a personal, guys. Grabe. And sobrang scenic, sobrang pang postcard yung dating niya. We're so blessed na ang ganda ng weather, ang ganda ng sky. Ayan, sa likod yung Alpine Range. That one. Alpine Range in Austria. Nandito na kami sa Germany, guys. And we're passing the border control. Ayan, guys. Sana pa nagpasin na lang kami.
Alright, guys, we have the police coming on board, okay?
Ayan, sasakay. Bumaba na sila at papataway rin na kami sa border. Ay, salamat. Bye! We're entering Germany! We're now in Germany, guys! Imagine, in one day,
this could be that they're gonna come on board.
Oh! Ay, kala ko,
Or they could be asking us to get off. We'll see what's gonna happen.
Mukhang may further inspection pa pala guys. Sorry. Kala namin, papalagpasin na kami. Naging mahigpit na daw sila ngayon sa border ng Germany. So guys, we're finally here in Germany. Kanina dun sa border control, super intense. Parang lahat kami hindi huminga kasi umakyat yung immigration police inside the bus. And tiningnan isa-isa yung mga passports namin. May iba na tinanong ng madami, may iba naman na tiningnan lang yung mga passports. And then when they realized that all of us are travelers, bumaba na sila and pinalagpas na kami sa border. So right now papunta na kami ng Munich. After exploring the city of Munich, we will have free time to check out more shops and everything, picture taking, and then at 7 p.m. we will regroup for our dinner. And time check, it's now 4:40. Pero grabe guys, ang dilim na dito. Hindi lang obvious sa video, but parang na siya, 6 p.m. sa Pinas. And excited akong matikman yung German beer. Well, Munich is the hub of beer pala. They are known for their beers, good beers. Hindi ako uminom ng beer, I'm more of a hard drinker. Like, tequila, vodka. I want to try the beer also. So, welcome to Germany! Dalawang country na to in one day. Kaninang umaga, Austria, and now Germany. The city center of Munich, and papunta kami sa restaurant namin. Roma will show us around there so that we can find our way there mamaya. After showing us where our restaurant is, we will be exploring the city. Ang temperature ngayon is what? 7 degrees. 7 degrees. Kaya medyo bundled up kami ngayon. At I wore my cap. Ooh, so cold. The main city town square reminds me of Sydney. Yung may area doon na ganito din. It's surrounded by shops, and then may mga places to sit down and eat. Excited na ako sa kakainin namin guys. I wish talaga kasama ko yung anak ko. So sige, see you in a bit. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa restaurant where we're going to have dinner. It says here, I think since 1328 pa sila guys. Imagine that. Ang atmosphere dito is like, talaga, para siyang beer house talaga guys. Ang dami mga lalaki na nag-inuman. Not just lalaki, meron din mga babae. A group of friends. Dito sila nag-unwind and have beer and dinner. And ang in-order ko is roast pork. And then beer, kahit hindi ako uminom ng beer. I want to try the German beer. So ito na guys, ang food. Roast pork with mashed potato and sauerkraut. And here's my beer. Let's see kung sarap ba. Is this mashed potato? Iba ang texture ng mashed potato nila. Medyo sticky. Ang lang, hindi na ganun ka Matigas na yung skin. Ayun. Kulang siya sa lasa, guys. Kulang siya sa asin. Ewan ko kung ganito yung ganito yung style nila. Na-miss ko tuloy yung lechon sa atin. Finally, makakatikim na ako ng sauerkraut. Medyo maasim. Fermented cabbage pala siya, guys. Not bad.
Potato parang suman.
Kaya nga, parang suman yung mashed potato.
Ano ka ba? Ayaw ko. Parang sabang ka. Ayaw mo. Sa potato.
Yung beer nagpapawala sa... Ano yung bidnik? Ano yung bidnik sa Tagalog po? Yung beer nagpapawala sa umay. Meron silang pa-ice cream, guys. Ayan o. Let's try.
Anong ingredients nila? Yung
Strawberry.
strawberry.
Not bad. Pero mas bet ko yung gelato sa Italy. Light yung ice cream nila, guys. Nilagay doon sa gelato. Medyo heavy yung ice cream nila. But in a good way. Ito light lang. Sarap na i-pair dito sa wafer. Bottoms up! Kanina, guys, punong-puno to kanina. And nag-mellow down na. Gusto kami mag-dinner, guys. We're on our way back to our bus. Busog na kami. And sobrang lamig na talaga dito. I can't wait to go inside our hotel room. We enjoyed Munich kahit sandali lang. Nag-picture taking na kami. Experience the German dinner. And pero bukas 2 days kami actually dito sa Germany, Munich, and then Bavaria region. So expect more videos here in Germany. Hintay lang kami ng bus namin, guys.
Dalawa sa kanila, dalawa sa akin. Half kami, half introvert, half extrovert.
Trivia pala, guys, dito halos lahat ng restaurants may kanya-kanyang brewery. So doon sa restaurant namin, yung beer nila hindi mo matitikman yon sa ibang restaurants. Yun ang fun fact. Nandito na kami sa bus, guys. Ay, ang sarap ng feeling na may warmth kasi sobrang kina talaga sa labas. So funny ba na pag sobrang lamig, you appreciate yung init. Pag sobrang namang init, you appreciate the coldness of weather. Ano ba talaga? Ngayon, I'm just happy na medyo warm na yung temperature dito sa loob ng bus. Kasi sobrang talagang lamig sa labas. So, naninigis yung thumb ko. Kailangan mo talagang mag-gloves, otherwise good luck sa mga fingers niyo. So this is our hotel, guys. Ramada Encore by Wyndham. Kakarating lang namin. And time check is 8:50. So we're going to check in now. Ay. Grabe, nakakapagod din ha. Talagang bootcamp. Kukunin muna namin yung keys namin. Ay. Makakapagod na, guys. Pagod na. Ay. Ito guys, room tour na kaagad tayo. I'm gonna show you a quick room tour. At ito yung CR namin. Separate yung toilet and yung bath. Ito yung bath. Yan. Diba? Ganda ng hotel nila, in fairness. Nag-level up yung namin, hotel namin. From, parang 2-star. Ito parang 3-star or 4-star. Yan ang bed namin, guys. At saka, it's more spacious compared last night's room. And may mga may mga painting pa. And then, more space for us to organize and pack our things. And then, yan. Merong mga hanger. And then, I want to see the view. Let's see. It's just a parking lot. Di ba kita? But it's just a parking lot. Ayaw ko kung nakikita. Yeah. Not that great view. Just a parking lot. So, I will end this, guys. Mag-unpack muna kami ng kailangan namin. And thank you for watching. That's our Munich vlog. And bukas na naman is we will still be here in Germany and visit the Bavaria region, particularly the Rhine Valley and everything. Basta bukas update ko na kayo at pagod na kami. So see you guys. Good night. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's day 3 of our Europe tour. And it's November 12. Currently, the temperature is 3 degrees. Imagine that. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas for sure. Kaya thermal wear na ako sa loob. And today, we will be still exploring Germany, particularly the Rhine Valley, which is located up north of Germany. According to sa Google Maps, is 5-hour drive from here. But sabi ng tour guide namin, we will arrive there around 2 p.m. So kung 7 kami, aalis dito, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. So mga around 7 hours. Siguro because of the pit stop and everything. Sa Rhine Valley, we will have a cruise at the Rhine River. Ito palang Rhine River is the second longest river in Central and Western Europe. Oh, so I'm excited to see that. Sabi ng kapatid ko, ka-experience na ng cruise at the Rhine River. Maganda daw doon. And then after the Rhine River cruise, we will have a wine tasting. And then kung okay daw yung harvest, you might as well try the ice wine. So, I'm not a wine drinker, but kung, depende kasi sa wine eh, may ibang wine na masarap. Para sa akin, meron namang iba na hindi. Pero ito-try pa rin natin yun because dito tayo sa Germany. So, wala nga namang palagpasin pa natin yun. Gaya ng ginawa ko kahapon sa beer. Minom talaga ako ng beer even if I'm not a beer drinker. And, ayun ang mga ganap today. Time check pala right now is 5:20. So, meron pa kaming almost an hour to prepare before we have breakfast. Ang breakfast time is, again, 6:30. Kahapon nagmamadali kami. Parang kulang yung 30 minutes para sa breakfast. Kaloka talaga, no? Kasi at exactly 7, the bag should be loaded on the bus. So, pag ganito talaga, fast-paced talaga.
Famous ka pag hindi ka na pumunta.
Pag late ka dahil, papalakpakan ka dahil. Gahapon, no? Grabe, sa Innsbruck. Grabe yung takbo namin. Kasi parang 5 minutes na lang, andun pa kami sa, malayo-layo pa kami sa meeting point. So, tinakbo namin yun. And then, alam mo, hingal-hingal kami. Kasi nga, ayaw namin mapalakpakan. Pero kung if ever late kami noon, hindi kami umabot on time, okay lang. At least may picture kami sa Innsbruck, di ba? I'm excited for another adventure here in Germany, and see you later. My Bavarian sausage, and then mini hash browns, bacon, and then scrambled eggs. Kuha tayo ng chocolate. So, good morning guys. Andito na ang breakfast. Mas bet ko tong breakfast now. Kasi may mga proteins, unlike yesterday na boiled egg lang yung protein. So, let's eat. At least yung croissant nila hindi na matamis. Pala guys, yung Bavarian veal sausage. Let's try.
Ito. Nadilitan na namin.
Sarap ha?
Sarap ang ano yung loob. Wala
sarap.
pang ano yan.
Bet ko. Not too salty. Sakto lang. And hindi siya lasang artificial. So guys, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. Pasakay na kami ng bus. It's already past 7. And yung iba kumakain pa ata or nag-toilet break. Sobrang bet ko yung breakfast nila. Especially the bacon. Wow! Sarap ng pagkaluto ng bacon nila. Yung sausage na Bavarian. Pag nandito kayo, try nyo talaga yon ha. See you guys later in Rhine Valley. Bye! Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa pit stop on the way to Rhine Valley. Pag mag-toilet ka, kailangan mong bayad ng €1 and you'll be given a ticket like this. And don't throw this voucher kasi pwede mo siyang ipunin or kahit on the spot, pwede mo siyang i-redeem dito sa bilihan ng mga snacks and coffee. So, yung binayad mo ng €1, mababalik sa'yo by purchasing stuff here sa service station. Keep that in mind, okay? Nandito kami ngayon sa service station for a quick lunch. Early na kami magla-lunch kasi mamayang gabi buffet dinner naman. So we decided to just skip the lunch and I've just grabbed some few snacks like chocolate para sa bus and then water. Saan gusto kong bumili nitong blueberry, guys. If you know me, I'm a blueberry lover. We're just chilling here sa service station and bought some snacks. Hindi ako nakatiis. I bought blueberry muffin. Kasi parang ang sarap-sarap tingnan. Favorite ko pa naman ng blueberry. See? And then yung voucher na voucher sa paggamit ng toilet, meron, since I made already 3 toilet breaks, meron akong 3 voucher. So ang sistema pala dito, yung per 1 voucher is per item. So kung 3 yung binili mo, pwede kang gumamit ng 3 voucher. Tapos i-deduct sa price ng item. Hindi siya i-deduct sa total bill. So yun pala yung paggamit. Kapag magto-toilet ka, you'll get a frank ticket, €1 per ticket. And then wag mo itatapon yun, keep it with you. So you can use it to redeem here sa cafe. And pag hindi mo nagamit dito sa cafe na to or sa service station na to, you can use it somewhere else as long as within Germany. Ganon yung sistema na dito. So I'll just eat first this blueberry muffin and see you later.
If you didn't sleep on the way here, maybe you already saw how many vineyards around here. Yeah. A lot of it. Lorelei, where she takes her life by jumping into the river Rhine, okay? And later when we take this turn, you will see it's small formation of the land, like a peninsula almost. At the end of it is a statue of the Lorelei. So here was the curve where allegedly lots of boats crashed into the shores, but you know, if you read up about the river, this is actually the part where it's quite dangerous to navigate water because a lot of shallow actually areas, so the captains always has to be really focused. So hence where the legend.
So guys, we're now here at the Rhine Valley where you can see the Rhine River behind me. And as I've said earlier, sasakay kami sa isang cruise ship. And we will cruise over the Rhine River for about an hour. And sabi ni Roma, our tour guide, we will be able to see 40 castles along the way. So I'm excited to see those castles. And yun nga, meron daw legend dito, yung legend ni Lorelei. Parang nilulure niya yung mga sailors through a song, and then pag narinig ng mga sailors na dumadaan daw sa Rhine River, they are enchanted and binabangga nila yung ship sa shore. So yun. There's our boat, guys. Yan yung sasakyan namin along the river. And our tour leader said that there's also parang cafe inside. So it's up to you if you want to stay inside or outside. Of course, dun tayo sa outside. You know, dun, banda sa may flag. Yan ang goal natin. Isang A dyan. Ganyan na, oh. May castle. There's a castle over there. Social yung ano nila, yung cruise ship nila, meron rooms and merong seating space sa taas. So guys, we're now here on the cruise and behind me is the Rhine River. Sobrang ganda na experience, no? Makikita mo yung ano, Saint Goar town behind me. I can't believe I'm here, guys! Ayan, no? Imagine that. Hindi ko akalain na nandito ako ngayon. Unexpected actually ang trip na to. Sinama ako ng kapatid ko. Wala akong plano sana, pero niyaya ako ng kapatid ko. Nabudol ako sa tara Ate Mai. But hindi ako nagsisi. And kasama ko pa yung family ko. But I wish my son is here with me. Diba? So yan, guys. Hi from Germany! So sabi ng tour guide namin daw, guys, Rhine River is like a trade route before. And ayun, nakikita nyo nga, meron din ano din dito, dumadaan ng mga train. Kahit gloomy yung weather, napakaganda pa rin. How much more kung saan ito? Gaganda ng mga bahay, oh. Iba din yung style ng mga bahay nila sa mga bahay dun sa Italy. Time check, guys. It's 2:45 p.m. and sabi is 1 hour daw tong boat ride. So, I think baka matatapos na to in a short while. And guys, may castle dito na naman. Not sure kung anong pangalan ng castle. Imagine ko tuloy kung ano yung buhay nila dito, no, dati. Done with the tour, guys, and now papunta kami ng parang winery to taste some wines, and especially yung ice wine na dalawang country lang daw ang gumagawa, Germany and Canada. So even if I'm not a wine drinker, I'm excited to try the ice wine. Low season, guys, kaya walang masyadong turista ngayon. Sobrang quaint, guys, ng town ng St. Croix. Ay. Pero parang asad. Walang mga tao. Bibilang mo lang. Binigyan kami ng tour guide namin ng free time. Kasi may nauna pa daw ang grupo dun sa winery. So, it's currently 3:15 p.m. And at 3:45, kailangan namin pumunta dun sa winery para gawin yung activity. So ngayon, naglilibot-libot lang kami dito. And sobrang tahimik ng lugar. Walang masyadong dumadaan ng mga sasakyan. Kung meron man, mabibilang mo lang. Tsaka ang liit-liit ng road, guys. Yan lang yung road nila. So this is hot sausage with curry and Russian minced bread. Try it. Hindi ko nasaan yung curry.
Told you, right?
Parang wala lang curry. Naman natin ng bread. More ketchup din na yung taste niya eh.
Mama Myra approves.
Yeah, Mama Myra approves. I want this one. One.
Hindi na po siya.
Try natin to, guys. Looks yummy. Ako pa naman mahilig ako sa Bavarian.
Bye. Thank you.
Thank you. Try natin to, guys. Oh, Bavarian donut. Hindi siya Bavarian.
Ano siya? Strawberry.
Strawberry. Parang ano, fried donut. Yung sarap. What's that? Sayang. Sarap yung gusto kung ano, kung cream. So, masarap pa eh. Nandito na kami sa Vinium or Vinotech to try the different kinds of wine here, especially the ice wine na gawa lang daw sa Germany and Canada. Sabi nung naunang group, yung ice wine daw is may pagka-sweet, which looks promising kasi I like sweet wine. Ayoko na mapakla. Guys, may baon kami salami, pang pair sa wine. Para, talaga, masulit yung wine tasting experience namin. Galing pa yan ng Roma. Roma? Is this from Rome? Yeah. Yeah, it's from Rome. Wow. Cheers!
What is that for? I like it.
The last one, the sweetest in the small bottle, obviously the most special, an ice wine, a dessert wine. I leave it here. 2018 harvest from Silvaner grapes, similar to Riesling but with a little bit less acidity. I give you a few the basic information about the ice wine. Basically, the word ice wine comes from the state in which the grapes have to be at harvesting time, which means by German wine law, harvested at minimum minus 7 degrees Celsius. In theory, it's very easy. You just wait until winter, until it freezes, go out, harvest, produce ice wine, job's done. Yeah, you get your money.
Guys, ito na yung ice wine. And grabe pala yung process ng pag-harvest nito. Malaki, para daw siyang maliit na raisins or grapes. Tapos, shrink na siya and then super condensed dahil nga sa lamig. They only have 3 hours to harvest the grapes. And it should be under 0 degrees. Cheers! Ng instructor, ang ice wine, the last harvest nila ng ice wine was 2004. Imagine that. Ganon kahirap mag-harvest and mag-process ng ice wine. Tikman na natin. Oh, ang tamis nga. Ito ha, I'm not a wine drinker ha, pero ito, mas bet ko to kesa yung sa red wine and white wine. O, ito yung lagi ko iinumin, iinom ako ng wine. Love this ice wine. Masarap daw to i-pair sa strong cheese. Any kind of strong cheese. Parang gusto ko pa. Pero hindi na pwede. Ito yung ice wine, guys. Sobrang nipis lang niya. Oh. And this cost 40 euros. Pabalik na kami, guys. Pupunta na kami sa restaurant. We're going to have dinner buffet style. Medyo maaga-aga. No oras ba? Oh, it's still 4 p.m. Pabiyahe pa kami. I'm not sure how many minutes going to the restaurant. And then after dinner, we'll check in sa hotel. So that's the end of our tour here at Rhine Valley. So see you guys mamaya sa restaurant. Na kami sa hotel, guys, and here's our room. There. Nandito na kami sa room namin. Our hotel name is Windham Garden, still in Germany. And before kami mag-settle down, I'll just do a quick room tour. So pagpasok nyo ng door, ito merong bathtub, sink, and yan yung medyo spacious siya compared sa mga ibang hotel na na-stayhan namin. Yan. And then the toilet is here. Ang cabinet, spacious cabinet. And then papasok mo dito, bed na. Meron ng bed dito. There's like some sofa there. And then, TV. And then, oh, kala ko fridge. And may space dyan para sa luggage. And then, office desk. And, meron kaming balcony, guys. Ayan, wait lang. Hindi na masyado makita yung view, guys. Kasi madilim na. Time check, it's already 5:30 PM, diba? Amazing. Parang ano na, alas 7, alas 8. So, freshen up lang kami ng saglit. Kasi by 6 PM kailangan na namin bumaba for dinner. See you guys there. We're just waiting for the restaurant to open. Nauna na kami dito para makakuha kami ng good table and we can all sit together with my fam. So ito yung food namin, guys. Buffet. Pasta na may schnitzel pala. Then some boiled veg, fish, salad, and then soup. I don't know what soup is this kasi German yung nakalagay. Sana masarap. So mushroom soup pala to, guys. Let's try.
The one in Austria is still of course better, but can't complain kasi buffet ito eh. So we can have all the schnitzel that we want.
Siguro kulang lang siya ng a little bit of seasoning.
Then salad.
Hindi na ako kumuha ng bread.
So after this,
Kasi parang heavy na.
dessert din
Pagtigas.
tayo ng mga yogurts and all, but pretty good dinner. We'll just eat and then
Try natin yung fish. Hindi ko bet. Hindi ko bet yung fish.
ano siya eh.
Bland.
Yeah, European. Very European.
Yeah. Sabi ng brother-in-law ko, very European. Lagyan natin ng salt. Salt ba to? Parang nakakatakot naman ito mag-salt.
Belo sugar.
Sugar da. Sugar pala yun, Zay.
Maging dessert ko. Yung fish.
Better. Guys, tapos na kami mag-dinner. And I'm here sa kwarto ng isa sa mga kasama namin. Kwarto ng cousin ko actually. And we're going to drink the ice wine. Sobrang sarap na talaga, guys. Ano sa di ay? Di ice wine ang imno. Sarap niya talaga, guys. Pero grabe yung process pala nun. Paggawa nun. Dapat within 3 hours na-harvest mo na. Otherwise, mag-melt siya, no? Oh, hindi na optimum yung ano. Yung mga na-harvest mo. Yes.
They're waiting to be washed.
Pero inaantok na ako actually. Pero ano, sige, laban lang. Inom tayo ng ng ice wine.
Punta ka explain ba? Simyat din na by chance. Ha? Oh, siya may anong story na sa ganun.
Ganda!
I was living in Dubai. And I can feel, you know, Dubai is good because I can feel homeless.
But in a way, but if you think about it though, it's gonna make sense. Like living in Dubai, it's really good. I don't feel like I'm a homeless. It's gonna be good. Cheers for the Rhine Valley.
Cheers!
We're the homeless.
Here you are. Welcome to Netherlands.
Namumulubi na ako dito sa CR. We're now in Amsterdam. Guys, galing kami ng Red Light District. And dito na yung burger, guys. Try.